SKNLOGIC Hydrating Serum is a light cream, concentrated formula packed with high-performance hydration ingredients. It delivers immediate moisture while supporting the skin's natural rejuvenation process, perfect for dehydrated or tired skin. Packed with high concentrations of ingredients like hyaluronic acid, fig extract, argan oil, and aloe vera extract, this serum refreshes dull, tired skin and restores a more youthful, radiant complexion. To use, start with freshly cleansed skin. Apply the SKNLOGIC Hydrating Serum before any other treatment products or moisturizer. Apply a pea-sized amount onto your fingertips. Gently pat the serum into your face. Avoid rubbing to allow the product to absorb effectively. If you're using more than one serum, apply them from thinnest to thickest. If their textures are similar, apply them according to your primary skin concern. Water-based serums should be applied before oil-based serums. For best results, use the hydrating serum in the evenings as part of your nightly skincare regimen. Thanks for watching! Be sure to check out our other videos for more skincare tips and product information.